Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm back with yet another DIY back to school ideas. I hope you like it, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And let's get started with today's video. Also, it is very cheap, affordable, and you can definitely try this at home and I hope you like it. So let's get started. For the first DIY, you need 2 notebooks. Now cover the notebooks with the help of a chart paper. You can take any color paper. I took a green color. And now cover the book with the help of the chart paper. For this, I'm applying the glue, and now I'm going to paste it up. After this, I printed out some stickers, and with the help of scissors, I'm going to cut out all the pieces of stickers. Your notebooks, peel the stickers and apply it on the front page of the notebook. Let's done. The notebook looks so aesthetic and it's so easy to make. For this DIY, cover the notebook in the same way. Now I have printed out these tumbler pictures from Google. Cut them out. Now paste them with the help of a glue. Paste them side by side to give it a more cute look. It's done. The notebook looks so cute and they are so easy to make. Your boring notebooks look aesthetic, tumblery, and they're very easy to make at home. This is actually a really good idea to organize and plan out your week. Now I have printed out these planners from Google using color pens, stickers. Plan out your weeks. This really helped to plan out your week and make it look more cute and cool. Again, you can print out these stickers and print them on a sticker paper. And they are done, organized, and make your week. And this is really easy idea to plan out your weeks. DIY, you need colorful origami papers. Now I'm going to draw a shape of a tin. Now cut them out with the help of a scissor. Make more of these using different colors. I took dark pink and light pink. Now with the help of thread, paste this with the help of a sellotape. Do this with all of them. And now turn them up. Now I have written days of the week. You can write the days you're going to work and the days you're not going to work. Now I basically wrote from Monday to Friday because these are the days I work. Now hang them on your study desk, and this. Thanks for watching.